Hello, welcome to our factory demonstration showing for the soya TVP food processing. And here today we are set up and running the plant extruder model HT72 for the plant-based protein food processing plant. And here we designed the production in the Boar's direct cutting shapes. The raw ingredients are soya defected flour, which is lower oil content and lower moisture content. 你看一下他们那边能听到声音不？问问。And for the production, it is health food without animal fat inside. I plan to make the soya protein food by the double extruder machines. Plant protein gets stirred, conveyed, cleaned, and extruded by the twin screw, and the die nozzles make the production in the ball shape. 有声音吗？啊，有声音吗？
那就是说他能回我。
Here你啥看？